This is Don with uniquely-DOUBLEBEE here on our campground. Getting ready to order and install new cab marker lights, or they're called teardrop lens covers or lights, and we'll see how these work out. All right, see you when I get them, and catch you in a few. Alright, I got my lights sent finally. Came double box from Amazon. So right now we'll just unpack this and see what we got. Make sure everything's not broke or good to go. Nice little light, full LED smoked lens. And then I hope this connector right here is going to work with the existing. And then it's got this weather seal, and it's got the same type fastener holes as the existing, so hopefully it lines up, because they said it'll match a 2014 Ram truck. Alright, we'll go try one out. Alright, well, right away you can tell it's luckily the same size and the same screw holes, so we'll get us our looks like maybe a T25, and we'll get these off, or this one, and see what the wiring is going to do. Alright, it was a T20, so right there. Using a hand one, because the drill, even though you can set it on low torque, probably can crack these lenses pretty easily. So the main reason I'm replacing them is because these are incandescent type, and a couple of them have been leaking because they've been on the truck since 2014. This one is splintered a little bit. Anyway, we'll set that there. See what we got here. Ooh, that is wore out. All right, well, clearly, yeah, water's been getting here. There's all kinds of rust. Huh. Jeez, it's not good. Well, looks like if I'm gonna use these, I gotta switch it over to, no, this should plug in there. Alright, we'll leave that one right there. And get these other ones going. So far, what I can tell, to get that tucked up in there. But when you put it down here, it looks like there's a little curve in it. Not making it fit flush to the roof, but we'll see. The holes line up. I get a Phillips. Well, it went on there. My concern is, I don't know if I can zoom in on it, but it's got a slight little curve right there. It won't bind down, so I don't know if the water's probably going to get down in that hole like it was already doing with the bad light. Let me see if I can figure out how to make this work, or have to return them. Alright, what I got here is duct sealing is for openings, for seals conduit openings, I mean, against moisture, dust, non-toxic fumes, all this kind of stuff. So what I'm gonna do is put it all right in here and around this edge and seal this in, because there's already water that got into the cab roof anyway. So I'll seal that off, and then this light should be good to go. All right, here we go.